we are going to be looking at what we call filling a series. Filling a series. So a series refers to a sequence of ordered entries in adjacent cells, such as it can be days of the week, can be months of the year. So the fill technique can be used to create this in a worksheet for you, reducing the amount of time taken for your data entry. For instance, this is what I mean. If I want to type January to December in a series of cells, either vertically or horizontally. So I provided some samples of normal series. There are times you want to type months of the year. Instead of typing them one by one, January, February, March, April, May, just type the first one. Put your mouse at the bottom right corner, like I said in the previous video, of the cell, then drag it. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you can see automatically. Then it's going to maintain the format that you started with. I started with J, three letter words for the as abbreviation for each of the months of the year. So it maintained the series. It maintained it in the series it's created. This could also be applied vertically. JAN. So let me say JAN. Then you just put your mouse at the bottom right corner. Then you drag it down. So it's going to also fill. So it can fill both vertically and horizontally. So let's try to fill the other ones. This one, just drag it like this to December. So you can see it's putting the names in full because the first one was in full. This one, the Monday is just in 3 letters. It's going to put all the other also days in 3 letters. You can see it's even continued because when I got to, after Sunday we have another Monday, because I continue to extend it, so it will continue like that. So let's try to fill this also in the Monday here. I just drag it to Friday. Then quarter, we have 4 quarters in a year, so I'll stop here. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. So this one, I'll drag it also to the fourth quarter. This one also means quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. So as you can see, it's maintaining the format. We have 31 days in a year, in a month. For some of the months, let me just go on like that. Second day, third day, you can see the sequence is following the sequence. You can see. So that is how to fill a series in Microsoft Excel. See you in the next